In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Subitim on Monday.com in under 5 minutes. Whether you're reorganizing your project boards or simply clearing up tasks that are no longer needed, removing sub-items is a straightforward process that can help keep your workspaces clean and organized. Let's dive right in and show you how it's done. First off, head over to Monday.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page. It's from here where all your project management begins. The home page of Monday.com is designed to give you a snapshot view of your projects and tasks, but our focus today is on a specific item within a board. Next, you need to navigate to a board that contains the sub-item you wish to delete. Boards in Monday.com serve as the heart of your projects, where tasks are outlined, assigned, and tracked. If you're part of multiple teams or projects, you might have access to several boards, so make sure you select the correct one. Your board will hold all your tasks or items, and within these you'll find sub-items, which are essentially tasks under tasks, allowing for a more granular level of organization. Once you've located the correct board, look for the item that houses the sub-item you intend to remove. Items can sometimes have multiple sub-items associated with them, each representing a piece of the larger task. To view these sub-items, you'll need to expand the main item by clicking on the geek symbol beside the item's name. This action will unfold all associated sub-items beneath the main item, displaying them clearly for you to review. After expanding the item to see its sub-items, spot the specific sub-item you're looking to delete. Here's a little tip. Double check to ensure it's the correct sub-item before proceeding. Sub-items, just like main items, will have their names listed, making it easy to identify which is which. To proceed with deletion, you need to select the sub-item first. Do this by clicking on the box directly after the sub-item's name. This action selects the sub-item, preparing it for deletion. Now, for the final step, deleting the sub-item. With the sub-item selected, you should see an option to delete it. This option is often represented by a trash can icon or simply the word delete. Click on this and Monday.com will prompt you to confirm the deletion. This step is crucial as it prevents accidental deletions. Once you confirm, the sub-item will be permanently removed from your board. A few additional pointers to remember: deleting a sub-item cannot be undone. So make sure that the sub-item you're deleting is indeed something that no longer serves a purpose on your board. Sometimes it might be a better idea to check with team members before removing tasks that may still have relevance. Also, consider whether the information within the sub-item could be useful in the future. If there's even a slim chance it might be, consider archiving the main item instead or moving the sub-item to a different board or item for safekeeping. Monday.com offers a range of options for managing your tasks beyond just deletion, so you have flexibility in how you organize your projects. So there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to delete a sub-item on Monday.com. By following these steps, you can ensure your boards remain relevant, organized, and free from clutter. Remember, the key to effective project management is not just in adding tasks, but also in knowing when and how to remove them. This keeps your team focused on what's truly important. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides on maximizing your use of Monday.com. Until next time, stay productive.